Hi, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today we're gonna make a dessert with no sugar and no baking. So we're gonna start with a 1 cup. I'm using this cup, regular cup. I got 1 cup of each of them. Coconut, oat milk, cashews, and a nut mix. Yeah, I got 2 tablespoons or 2.5 around coconut oil. I got some dry figs, which the night before I placed them in water. I got 7 pieces, just dry figs in water. Just we want to make the for the basement of the bottom of our dessert. And on the other side, I got some blueberries frozen. I got 1 coconut milk. I got some maple syrup from Canada straight, which I brought in December. I got 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna leave you in the description the name of these seeds. I actually don't have it in English right now, yeah? But I will find it, I know it. And I got 4 tablespoons of chia seeds with 10 grams of gelatin, yeah? So with it, we're gonna start. I'm gonna do the bottom of the cake, and then I will do this mix, and we're gonna place it on the fridge overnight, and hopefully we'll have a nice result. So join me. Let's start with our oat milk and cashews, coconut, and the nut mix all in my blender. Now we're gonna add a pinch of salt. And our dry figs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Actually, I got 7, but I want 6 on. And also, we got our coconut oil just melted. 1 tablespoon, 2, and let's make it 3 tablespoons. Yeah. And with it, we're gonna make the first mix for our bottom. So what I did here is our tray. I just covered the bottom, cut it, and on the side as well, and I helped myself with a little bit of oil so that the paper stick to the side. That's it, nothing else. On the other side, I got our bottom already blended. I'm gonna remove it from here all and stick to the bottom and form it. Just evenly, and now you can push it here and to the side a little bit on top. Yeah. Just make pressure that it stick together and stick to the tray. Yeah. and of course bottom as well. For our topping, we're gonna just place our coconut on our blender. Yes. Gonna help myself with a second spoon to and our blueberries, together with 1, 2, and 3 maple syrup tablespoons. And now I'm gonna blend it and be back with you. Look, nice core together, yeah. And now we're gonna just put our chia seeds and the second seeds. We're gonna mix it all and just leave it for around 10 or 15 minutes to soak, yeah. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna leave it here for 10 to 15 minutes that the chia seeds soak, and we will continue. After our 10 minutes or 15 minutes for soaking our seeds is gone, we're gonna add our gelatin. We're gonna mix it, but just not blend it, yeah? Just mix it properly. That's it. And carefully, we're gonna pour it that we don't break our bottom of the dessert, yeah? Just carefully. And you can help yourself with a spatula later on, okay? Now you can just help yourself to spread the mix evenly on top of our dessert, yeah. And now we are gonna place on the fridge over the night, the day, and we are gonna just decorate it, but tomorrow with some fresh fruits. So let's see how it turns out tomorrow. Well, just was on the fridge for around 5 hours. I just had some blackberries and blueberries, and I got here blackberry juice with 150 milliliters water and 5 grams of gelatin, yeah. And I'm just gonna pour it well, on top, just to give a little bit of color and consistency to get our fruits together. And now back to the fridge.